Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, a look at the phrasal verb bring up. 3 different meanings to bring up. First one, you can bring up a child, meaning to teach them right from wrong. You educate them, you feed them every day, you let the child grow, you bring up a child. They brought up their daughter to always be kind and polite to older people. You can bring up food if it doesn't agree with you, if you feel ill, if you feel sick. It means to vomit, to bring up your dinner. Soon after being fed, the baby brought it all up again. And you can bring up a topic, meaning to introduce it into the conversation. I don't want to hear any more about this. Please don't bring it up again. So there we are. Phrasal verbs, 3 of them, with bring up. And all 3 have a different meaning. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.